I'm going to show you how to do the bird dog. It's an excellent core and back exercise. Wonderful for moms because it's really working that transverse abdominal. We want to have that strong, strong core. Here we go. You're going to lift up the left back leg and the right front arm at the same time. You're going to hold that for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and lower down. As you lift up the opposite leg and opposite arm, you're going to want to point through those fingertips and through those toes, keeping your back flat, pulling the belly button to the spine, and lower. Pointing those fingertips, pointing those toes, and lower. Keeping the back flat, trying not to arch. Keeping it flat, and lower. One more, and lower. That's a bird dog.